You are currently standing in the wreckage of your own expectations. Look around you. The plans you made did not happen. The promises people made to you were broken. The vision you had for your life right now looks nothing like the reality you are waking up to. You are tired. You are frustrated. You are bored. And let me tell you something that the rest of the world is too polite to say to your face. It is entirely your fault if you stay here. It is not your fault that you were knocked down. Life is chaotic. Life is brutal. In this year of 2026, the world moves faster than ever, and it does not care about your feelings. It does not care about your fatigue. It does not pause because you are having a bad week. But while getting knocked down is a circumstance, staying down is a choice. And right now, you are making a choice. Do you think you are the only one who has lost everything? Do you think you are the first person in history to feel the cold sting of failure? You are not special because you are in pain. You are special only if you decide to do something about it. Most people love their chains. They love the comfort of being a victim. It is easy to point fingers. It is easy to say the economy is bad. The industry changed. The algorithm is against me. Or my family does not support me. Those are excuses. Those are the bricks you are using to build a prison for yourself. You need to put down the bricks, pick up a hammer. You need to smash the identity of the victim that you have been wearing like a warm coat. It is time to step out into the cold. Rise again. Those two words are not a request. They are a command. They are a law of nature. Look at the sun. It sets into the darkness every single night. It vanishes. The world goes black. But does the sun give up? Does it decide that the darkness is too thick? No. It breathes us every single morning, without fail. It burns its way back into the sky. You have that same fire inside you. It might be a flicker right now. It might be buried under layers of doubt and fear, but it is there. You have to find it. You have to feed it. You have to breathe life into it until it becomes a forest fire that burns down every obstacle in your path. You have to understand that rock bottom is not a burial ground. It is a foundation. When you are at the bottom, you have solid ground beneath your feet. There is nowhere left to fall. The only way is up. This is the moment you stop building your life on the opinions of others. You stop building on temporary motivation. You start building on concrete discipline. You start building on the iron will that says, I will not be defeated. I might be delayed. I might be detoured, but I will not be denied. The version of you that got you into this mess is not the version of you that will get you out of it. You need to kill the old you. The old you was too soft. The old you was too easily distracted. The old you cared too much about what people thought. That person is dead. You are currently in the funeral procession for your former self. Grieve if you must. Cry if you have to. But when you wipe those tears, you better be ready to go to war. Because rising again is an act of war against the mediocrity that is trying to consume you. What are you waiting for? A helping hand? A winning lottery ticket? A viral moment? Stop waiting. No one is coming to save you. Read that again in your mind. No one is coming. The cavalry is not over the hill. You are the cavalry. You are the general. You are the soldier. You are the reinforcements. You have to save yourself. You have to look in the mirror and realize that the only person who can change your life is staring right back at you. That reflection is your only ally. You need to become obsessed with your own resurrection. When you are working on coming back, you have to disappear for a while. You have to go into the dark room. You have to shut out the noise. In 2026, the noise is everywhere. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone is broadcasting their highlight reels. Turn it off. Focus on your own move. Focus on your own script. You are in the training montage of your life. This is the part of the movie where the music swells and the hero gets back up, bloodied and bruised, and starts training in the rain. This is the part where you lift the heavy weights. This is the part where you study while everyone else is sleeping. This is the part where you work when you do not feel like working. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings are temporary. They come and go like the wind. You cannot build a legacy on feelings. You build a legacy on standards. You need to raise your standards. You need to demand more from yourself than anyone else could ever expect. If you want to rise again, you have to operate at a level that confuses people. You have to be so disciplined that it looks like insanity to the average mind. They will ask you why you work so hard. They will ask you why you never take a break. They will tell you to relax. Do not listen to them. They are trying to pull you back down to their level. You belong in the clouds. You belong at the peak. The climb is going to be painful. I will not lie to you. Your lungs will burn. Your legs will shake. Your mind will beg you to stop. It will tell you that it is impossible. It will remind you of all your past failures. It will play a compilation video of your most embarrassing moments. Let it play. Acknowledge the pain. And then take another step. And another. Pain is just information. It is telling you that you are pushing your limits. It is telling you that you are growing. Comfort is the enemy of progress. If you are comfortable, you are dying. If you are comfortable, you are shrinking. Embrace the discomfort. Embrace the grind. Think about the people who doubted you. Do not hate them. Do not waste energy on anger. Use them. Put their faces on your mental punching bag. Every time you want to quit, remember the smirk on their faces when you failed. Remember the whispers behind your back. Let that fuel you. Success is the best revenge. Massive, undeniable success. You are going to build a life so magnificent that they will have no choice but to watch. You are going to become so undeniable that they will have to ask you how you did it. And when they do, you will look them in the eye and say, I refuse to stay down. You are the author of this story. Up until now, you might have let other people hold the pen. You might have let fear write the chapters. You might have let laziness dictate the plot. No more. Grab the pen. Grip it until your knuckles turn white. The next chapter is titled Redemption. The next chapter is titled Victory. The next chapter is titled The Rise. You write it with your sweat. You write it with your blood. You write it with your sleepless nights and your early mornings. Do not tell me you are too old. Do not tell me it is too late. Colonel Sanders did not franchise KFC until he was 62. Vera Wong did not enter the fashion industry until she was 40. History is full of people who rose from the ashes late in the game. Your timeline is your timeline. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Stay in your lane. Run your race. Eyes forward, head down, heart open. The world needs you to rise. We do not need more people who give up. We have enough of those. We need leaders. We need warriors. We need examples. Your children are watching you. Your friends are watching you. Your community is watching you. What are you teaching them? Are you teaching them that when life hits you, you curl up and die? Or are you teaching them that when life hits you, you hit back harder? You have a responsibility to your potential. You were not born to pay bills and die. You were born to make a dent in the universe. You were born to leave a mark. There is a beast inside you that has been sleeping for too long. It is time to wake it up. It is time to uncage the animal. When you wake up tomorrow morning, do not hit the snooze button. The snooze button is the first defeat of the day. When you hit snooze, you are telling your dreams that they can wait. You are telling your goals that they are not important. Get up. Attack the day before it attacks you. Make your bed. Drink your water. Move your body. Set the tone. You are a machine. You are a predator. You are hunting success. Failure is not fatal. Failure is feedback. Every time you failed, you learned something. You learned what does not work. You learned who your real friends are. You learned how much pain you can tolerate. You are smarter now. You are stronger now. You are more experienced now. Use that. The scars on your soul are not signs of weakness. They are battle stripes. Wear them with pride. They prove that you survived. They prove that you are a veteran of the war of life. So stand up, straighten your back, lift your chin. Look the world in the eye. Sight with me. E will rise. I will rise again. I will rise higher than before. I will rise stronger than before. Nothing can stop me. No wall is too high. No ocean is too wide. No enemy is too strong. I am the storm. I am the force of nature. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. The past is a ghost. It cannot hurt you anymore unless you let it haunt you. Exorcise the ghost. Focus on the now. The power is in the present moment, right here. Right now. You can change everything. One decision, one action, one phone call, one workout, 1 hour of deep work. It starts with one, and then it becomes two, and then it becomes a habit, and then it becomes a lifestyle, and then it becomes a destiny. Do not fear the solitude. The eagle flies alone. The pigeon flocks with a crowd. If you want to soar above the clouds, you have to be willing to fly alone. You have to be willing to be misunderstood. They will call you obsessed. They will call you crazy. Good. Crazy is what gets things done. Normal people get normal results. You do not want normal results. You want extraordinary results. So, be extraordinary. This is your time. 2026 is your year. Not because the calendar says so, but because you say so. You define the era. You define the epoch. Echoes of your efforts will ring through eternity if you do not stop. Keep going when your hands bleed. Keep going when your heart breaks. Keep going when your bank account is empty. Keep going when you have no hope left. Because it is in the darkest moment that the dawn breaks. The sun is rising, and so are you. Get up, get to work, and never, ever look back. This is the new you, the unbreakable you, the unstoppable you, the legend. Rise. Your time is coming. Keep believing, keep fighting. Don't just watch. Go out and prove them wrong. Thank you for being part of the journey. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.